隻嘅船仔咧都加咗機關，喐得㗎。木偶嘅身體情況的話咧，原來係由藝術家佢先創作嘅，呼應翻《木偶奇遇記》嘅主題，特登喺木偶身上面加上木紋啊，而且採用咗幻化而成嘅精靈，以藍白顏色布料製成嘅。
Artist Ho Yi-chu, who cleverly incorporated the wood grain effect to reflect the fact that
佢面上面咧係有啲刀疤嘅痕嘅喎，係專登描繪出嚟。
Unique design has added sequins and reflective fabrics to the flowy layers of the costume.
另外行緊過嚟嘅咧就係呢一條又立體又閃閃力創作，令到大家先可以而家見到咁華麗嘅服裝啊！就好似皮諾丘一樣，面對種種挑戰都唔放棄，最終如願以償，成為真正嘅人類。
This metallic magenta gown on watercolor element, the artist brought it to life stage by stage, just like that.
唔係，哎呀，等我慢慢
而
行。
家行緊過嚟嘅呢套高蹺服裝就係由藝術家古智恩創作，融合咗大自然嘅壯麗同童話式敘事，服裝呈現咗卓越。
Incorporated the oak tree as the main part of the design, blending it with colorful details to embody the forest. Each leaf and flower has a different size, adding depth and layers to the overall look. 哇！講咗咁耐，終於有人嚟啦，係邊個嚟㗎？大家睇唔到佢係邊個啊？藍色魚啊，佢唔係藍色魚嚟嘅喎。故事入邊有蟋蟀嘅喎，係咪啊？有冇人記得有蟋蟀啊？ There's a cricket in the
劉韶山創作，靈感咧係嚟自於蟋蟀傑明尼。
is inspired by Jiminy Cricket, the character who serves as the guiding.
原著入邊咧，蟋蟀傑明尼係經常以希望嘅身份出現嘅，喺關鍵時候。
Quality of the design reminds us that we should accept innovation.
係藝術家花咗唔少時間去逐小調校支撐紮帶。
Does the skirt on this costume remind you of the curtains in a captivator? This fabulous piece was created by artist Wally Jones. Wally used a special that's digitally printed, requires a lot of skill.
主人翁皮一巨型木偶，佢係由豐富木偶製作經驗嘅藝術家謝志明製作。睇到今次嘅製作啊，佢話簡直係一場由激情換成犧牲透光嘅材料，但同時又要帶嚟新挑戰。
Here's our protagonist, Pinocchio. This show was created by inside the figure instead of conventional steel plates. The puppet was also hand-painted with transparent watercolors.
嚟就有請舞蹈表演 UPOS， 由一班香港青年藝術協會嘅舞蹈員為我哋演繹。
拉個牌啱俾佢兩張用。
This costume highlights Jimmy's personality through a combination of insect features and gentle.
但係而家嚟緊嘅服裝究竟係咩嚟㗎啦？佢個樣好熟口面喎。藝術家 Miss Fat 第一樣聯想到關於玩具國嘅嘢就係
Is it you? And experimented with many
知唔知木偶奇遇記小木偶皮諾丘同埋老木匠係俾咩海洋生物吞咗落肚㗎咧？大家知唔知道㗎？嗱，如果唔知俾海怪吞埋落肚啊，呢一套由 Unique Design 設計嘅高蹺服裝，鯨魚的肚皮巧妙呈現咗呢一幕服裝同埋活力。
In the story, Pinocchio sings out to the sea to search for treasure. This stilt costume by Unique Design was created as a reminder of us. Layers, elements, and snow.
my son Pinocchio. Say hi, everyone. Very nice to see you all tonight. Oh, I'm very proud of my son Pinocchio. Very cute boy. Oh, he's gonna dance a little. Oh, 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 oh.
工匠嘅風格，手上仲拎住一個小小皮諾丘嘅扯線木偶，好似入咗童話世界入邊啊！而佢隔離，當中仲有好幾位藝術家，甚至係第一次參與呢個夜光巡演添㗎。
This live fox giant puppet was made by artist Gaga Ho. It is the tallest puppet in this year's parade.
係咩啊？係咩藝術家？
Does anyone know?
係一隻貓嚟嘅。而家大家見到嘅木偶咧，就係由藝術家何卓嘉創作呢一隻擬人化嘅設計。狐狸用咗珍珠棉、鋁同埋中空板製成嘅單計木偶高度已經有3.5米啦，係今年最高嘅木偶。第一次嘗試設計奸角嘅巨型木偶，即將行過嚟嘅嗰位女生着嘅造型。呢一隻就係玩具國玩到望晒型嘅驢仔，上衣有灰毛滾邊，模仿咗動物嘅毛髮鬆感。啡色蓬鬆嘅短褲令到成個造型充滿咗童趣感啊！模仿緊韓國嘅廣告，離遠睇都好搶眼啊！
啲仔啲設施咁咪就會變咯，再入谷時間。
見到嘅善良的仙女係由藝術家張善言創作，第一次參與夜光巡演，喺選擇物料上遇到啲挑戰，所以參考咗燈籠製作嘅方式。首先，作品佈滿咗好多閃粉同埋星星，無論日頭定夜晚都照耀住我哋，就好似故事入邊嘅南仙子一樣，為小蝴蝶嘅圖案象徵住希望同埋鋭變啊，反映咗故事嘅核心。今晚巡遊結束之後，呢一啲木偶咧就會由
Was made by Chang Sin Man, who is
精住大自然活嘅生命力。相比另一位色彩繽紛嘅服裝，呢一套歷經冒險後重新嘅轉變，做出活潑夢幻嘅氛圍。服裝上亦都非常。
the land of toys to life. The colourful fluorescent fabrics, striking contrasts, and the numerous music designs. Every detail.
啱啱嘅表演同埋服裝同埋木偶左邊㗎啦。
What an incredible parade!
多謝各位，我哋下次再見啦。